What's up, you guys? My name is Jaden and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 Shopify apps that you absolutely must have on your Shopify dropshipping store if you want to start making 6 and 7 figures. Now, when a lot of people talk about the success of your dropshipping business, they talk about the winning product, they talk about the store design, they talk about the creatives, so on and so forth. But one thing that they leave out is the Shopify apps. And I believe that Shopify apps play a crucial role in the success of your store. So all the apps that I'm going to be listing in today's video, I've personally used and I am still using currently to this day. So if you're looking to start making 6 and 7 figures with your dropshipping business, I highly recommend that you watch this video to the end. And if you learned something, make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping content just like this. And if you're an entrepreneur out there that wants to learn more about dropshipping and network with other like-minded entrepreneurs for free, I highly recommend that you go down to the description and sign up for my free Discord server. All right, so I don't want to waste up too much of your time, so let's get right into it. So the first app on the list is an app called UpPromote Affiliate Marketing. So UpPromote is pretty much an affiliate program for your influencers or UGC creators. As you all know, short form content is king right now, and it's important that you have influencers or UGC creators creating content for your brand so you can build a brand presence. And UpPromote is gonna make this so seamless for you. So if you're sending out, let's just say 50 to 100 different emails to influencers or UGC creators to get them to create content for you, after a while it becomes a headache. You don't know who you sent products to, you don't know who you didn't send products to, you don't know who's in the program. It just becomes too much. And this allows you to be able to host everything under one program. So you can see all of your influencers in there. You can see what you agreed upon. So let's just say you gave 25% commission to one influencer for anything they sell. You could set that up right inside of UpPromote. You'll be able to give them a discount or an affiliate link so that way they can share that with their audience automatically. And it'll even give each person in your affiliate program a portal that they can log into and see exactly how much they've made from your brand and when their next payout is. And what I love is that the payouts are all automatic. So you can set up, monthly payments for your affiliates or bi-weekly payments, whatever you want. And let's just say, for example, you get a creator, they post for your brand and someone from their audience purchases your product from your Shopify store. Then automatically it's gonna take 25% commission from that and it's going to allocate it to that influencer. And at the end of the month, they'll get paid out for it and you don't have to do a thing. What's even kind of dope is that you can set up different tiers for your UGC creators. So let's just say, for example, you have a bronze tier, a silver tier, and a platinum tier, okay? And to get into the silver tier, you need to sell at least $500 of our product. So let's just say you have somebody in that silver tier. You can set up different prizes for these creators that'll incentivize them to make better content that actually converts. So you can have something set up like, hey, once you get into the silver tier, you get 25% off of any purchases that you make on our website. And, we'll give you an extra $100 on your payout. Or, hey, we're giving you 25% commission right now, but if you get into the silver tier, we'll bump it up to 30% commission on anything that you sell, or something like that. But this will incentivize the creators to make better content, and it's a win-win for both parties. So the second app on this list is an app called Reconvert Post-Purchase Upsell. Now, having upsells on your store is absolutely crucial. If you have a customer come to your store, why would you only want to sell them on one product? Wouldn't it be smart to sell them multiple different products so that way you can boost your average order value? Now, this is no secret. Every brand in the world does this. If you go to Target, if you go to Walmart, and you're standing in line, what do they have near the checkout lines? They have products that are impulse purchases. They have candy, they have magazines, so on and so forth. And this is the exact same thing, but for your Shopify dropshipping store. Now, once you're inside the app, you can create different funnels. And this right here is an example of a thank you page funnel that comes already set up for you. You don't have to do a thing. And as you can see on the left side, you can customize your thank you page however you like. You can click on product recommendations. You can offer different products here. You can also, put a countdown timer to create more urgency. And you can even add different discounts. So if you want to do 20%, 30%, 40% off of a different product, you can do that. Now at the top we have this "we thought you may also like these items" section, and you can offer 3 different products here. Now let's just say, for example, your customer wants this item right here after they check out. If they click buy now, it'll automatically charge it to their card. They won't have to enter all of their credit card details again, which is why I love Reconvert. Not only is this going to help boost your average order value, but it's also going to negate any friction that your customer will have about purchasing another product, because typically on any other store, they'd have to make a whole nother purchase, add all their details again. But in here, all they have to do is just click one single button. You can also put a birthday section, so that way your customers can enter their birthday and you can send them different offers. You can put another product down here as well. It all really just depends on what you're personally offering on your store, but the options are endless. So if you're looking to boost your sales this holiday season, this app is a no-brainer. So just to be 100% transparent, I am affiliated with Reconvert, but I've been using their app even before then. So it was a no-brainer for me to even partner up with them in the first place. So if you want to boost your sales this holiday season, I highly recommend that you check out their app. I'll be sure to leave a link to it in the description. Now, the third app on the list is an app called Vitals, and this is an app that I recommend to all of my students because it is very budget friendly. So you're going to be getting 40 different apps all into one app. So if you were to try and get, 2, 3, or 4 of these apps that are in Vitals all separately, you would pay probably upwards of maybe even $100 more on your Shopify store plan per month. So some of the apps that I like to use in Vitals are Sticky Add to Cart. So if you don't know what that is, it's pretty much just adds an add to cart to the top of your product page. So as your customers scroll, they can add a product to their cart without having to go all the way back to the top of the page again. They also have upsells in here as well. So you can have upsells, you can have bundles like volume discounts. So if a customer purchases 2 items, 3 items, or 4 items, they'll get a specific discount. There's trust badges, there's currency converters. So if you have a customer that comes in from a different country that uses a different currency, you can have something on the bottom of your store where your customer can change it to, Canadian currency or to euros, so on and so forth. And then my personal favorite is that they have reviews as well. So reviews is probably one of the most important things that you need to have on your product page of your dropshipping store, because no one's going to purchase from you if you don't have any reviews. Okay, so this app allows you to get reviews. You can pull them right from AliExpress and it looks super clean on your website. So just to put in perspective how much money you're actually going to be saving with Vitals, a review app alone is going to run you about $30 a month, when Vitals costs $30 a month alone, and you get all the extensions that I just previously listed: the sticky add to cart, the volume discounts, upsells, trust badges, so on and so forth. So it's really a no-brainer for you to add this to your store, and I highly recommend it if you're on a budget especially. Now, the fourth app on this list, which is a must-have on your Shopify dropshipping store, is an app called Pagefly. Now, Pagefly is a landing page builder, and it allows you to create beautiful landing pages for your brand. And what I love the most about it is that there's no coding needed. So people like myself and you guys are able to create beautiful landing pages without actually having to be a web dev. So if you've used ClickFunnels before, it's pretty much the exact same thing. It's a drag and drop builder. So you can take different elements and drag and drop them right to your landing page wherever you want. There's a bunch of advanced customization that you can do on Pagefly that you just can't do in the normal Shopify website editor. So for example, you can make websites that look just like this. Now, I'm not sure if this is actually on Pagefly, but I know for a fact that this website is not created in the normal Shopify editor. So if you want something like this with a bunch of animations, then Pagefly is definitely the answer. Now, if you made it to this point of the video, I just want to say thank you for all the support. But with that being said, the fifth and final app on this list that's going to help you boost those Shopify dropshipping sales is an app called Klaviyo. Now, Klaviyo is an email marketing platform that's going to allow you to be able to create different email flows so that way you can communicate with your audience. So this can either be somebody who's already a pre-existing customer that's already purchased from your brand, or it can just be someone who, stumbled across your brand and submitted their email to your newsletter and became a part of your ecosystem. Either way, it doesn't really matter because you're going to be able to send out different offers and promotions that you have within your brand. So if you're offering a 20% off deal, you can send an email blast to all of your subscribers letting them know of this. It's just another marketing channel that you can add to your marketing strategy to help boost those sales. And just to give you an example, this is one of my brands and this is my main list, and it has 14,610 email subscribers. And majority of these subscribers, I also have their phone numbers as well. So it's extremely powerful that I can just come into Klaviyo and send a few emails daily or even a few times a week and make a bunch of money. So an email flow that I recommend that you add to your Shopify store is an abandoned cart flow. So pretty much what this is if a customer goes to your website, adds products to their cart, but they don't end up checking out, You can set up an entire email flow that sends them different emails each and every single day, reminding them that they have products that are ready to get checked out on. So here's my exact flow right here. So once someone abandons their checkout, within 10 minutes, they're gonna get an email that says first name. What made you stop? That's the subject line. And then it's an email that shows them their cart. They can pretty much add everything back to their cart with one click and easily check out again. And if they don't answer that, it's gonna wait 2 hours and it's gonna send them another email and it's gonna say lucky day, 15% off. And inside I have a 15% off coupon code. So this is just gonna create some urgency, and it's gonna wanna make customers come back and purchase from my store, because life happens. Maybe they still want your product, but something happened, they closed out, they left the website, whatever, right? This is gonna incentivize them to go back to your website and get 15% off. And then if they don't answer that, we wait another 12 hours and we send our last email, okay? And it says 2 hours left, last chance for 15% off before we sell out. So we're just trying to create more urgency, to hopefully try to convert them. And sometimes I even boost this up and I'll put like 20% to see if maybe I can actually get them to convert. So that's Klaviyo, and I highly recommend that you add this to your store, because like they say, the best traffic is the traffic that you own. Do not be the business owner that relies on these social media platforms, because social media platforms come and go, and followers is cool and all, but at the end of the day, what traffic or what data do you actually own? And this is an opportunity for you to do that, because every single time a new customer comes to your store, it's another opportunity to collect an email. It's another opportunity to collect a phone number. So that's gonna do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Those are my 5 Shopify apps that you need to add to your Shopify dropshipping store if you wanna boost those sales. If you learned something today, be sure to go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping content. And also leave a comment down below if you want me to do a part 2 to this, because I have a lot more Shopify apps that I would love to add to this. 5 just isn't enough. I definitely have way more on my stores that I would love to share with you guys. And if you're an entrepreneur out there that needs some more help with your dropshipping business and you want somebody to literally hold your hand through the entire process, be sure to also go down to the description and fill out the application for my one-on-one coaching program. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.